This is a brand new 2014 Honda CR-V. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 4-cylinder engine, and all-wheel drive. Features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, a CD player, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, and a backup camera. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Thank you for considering Bill Pierce Courtesy Honda for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. If you have any questions, call our internet department, visit our website, or stop by our dealership. We are conveniently located at 780 Kinski Lane in Reno. We look forward to serving you.